If your boiler is running at the wrong pressure, either high or low, it can really alter the efficiency or effectiveness of your heating system and could create serious problems with your central heating and boiler. The ideal boiler pressure should be between 1 to 1.5 bars on your pressure gauge when your heating is switched off and can rise to around 2 bar when your heating is on. If your boiler is reading anything outside of this range, then you may need to repressurize your boiler. Don't worry, repressurising your central heating system is a quick and easy task that anyone can do. Here, we pulled together some simple steps to get you going. Most Worcester combi boilers use a key to repressurise the boiler. The key is usually inside the bottom panel, which is fitted to the underside of the boiler. First, let's make sure your heating is off and the radiators are cold before we get started. To locate the key, please remove the bottom panel by pulling it forward and away from the boiler. Once you've found the key, remove it from the tray. Now, look under the boiler for a black unit with a hole. Insert the key into the hole and firmly push up, lining the arrow on the key with the open padlock symbol on the black unit. Once the key is fully inserted, turn it right by a quarter turn until the arrow is in line with the closed padlock symbol. Once the key is engaged, slowly hand turn the white nut next to the key anti-clockwise to allow water into the system. You'll hear a hissing noise. Whilst you're repressurising, check the boiler pressure gauge on the front display until the needle is between 1 to 1.5 bar. When the correct pressure is reached, turn the white nut clockwise to close the water flow to the boiler, then turn the key to the open padlock symbol and pull the key down and out. You may need a firm grip on the key as this can be a bit tricky to remove. You'll need an old rag or cloth under the key as some water will be released, but this is perfectly normal. Replace the key back into the tray and insert the tray back under the boiler. When you're done, turn your central heating on, check the water pressure, and carefully check if the radiators are now heating up evenly. Simple as that. If you're having trouble repressurising or are having to repressurise more than twice a year, then there might be something wrong with your boiler or system. For more advice or to arrange a visit straight away from one of our gas safe registered engineers, just click the Get in Touch link below.